Okay, I'm recording this video to demonstrate the issue I'm having with my Leonardo Mosaico, which is this pin right here. So the problem that we're getting into here is that I don't feel the nib is writing almost at all. So I've got a couple other pins here, just to give an example. I've got my Grande Bellezza, Piniter, Asvine, P26, and then a pilot vanishing point. So this is just kind of what I'm talking about. And the demonstration I'm going to do is I'm going to see if the nib will write by itself without any pressure, just me dragging it across the paper. So this one, as you can see, no problem. This is no pressure. I'm just kind of letting the nib, well, if I can orient it correctly, it'll just kind of write on its own. No pressure whatsoever. See? Same thing with this guy. All I have to do is put the nib to the paper, no pressure. Look, it's just literally resting on my hands. No pressure, just gushing ink. Let's try the vanishing point. Oop, might be a little bit dry from the last time. There we go. Vanishing point, no pressure, same thing. Even with a little hard start. Oop, I'm rotating it, sorry. Yeah, no pressure. It's hard not to rotate this. I'm doing this with one hand. See? Now we come to the Leonardo. The Leonardo, nothing. That's what the Leonardo does. See how faint that line is? So, in contrast, now we're going to start writing. Look how wet that comes onto the page. Oop, just smashed my nib. Is it okay? It's okay. All right. Now, this one comes out on the page very wet, no pressure. Let's go back to the Piniter. Very wet, no pressure. Let's check out the Asvine. Same thing, now we're writing. Very wet. Now the Leonardo. Hard starting all over the page. You can see the inconsistencies in the ink. And now I have to press to get anywhere near as wet as the others, which is disappointing. Look, sometimes it just goes dry and I have to spread the tines a bit to get it to write again. And there it goes again, just goes dry. Spread the tines, it'll write again for a moment, and then it goes dry. And once again, will not write barely any under its own weight, whereas no problem under its own weight. Make sure I don't let that drop off the thing again. No problem under its own weight. And the $40 Chinese pen, no problem under its own weight.